if you've not already seen the last videos, you should watch them, because what's the point in watching part 3? But basically this is a ASZ PD 130, not the strongest of the PDs everybody keeps talking about, PD 150s and all that stuff, which they're not the strongest. The best ones are the Cooper engines, the PD 160s, but forget about that, they're very similar, not enough to care. These come in everything. You get these in everything from an Octavia, Fabia, whatever, everything, millions of cars. Everybody says they're the GOAT, which they're decent. They still take some maintaining to keep them going, and they are good, and they're cheap, that's the main thing. But when these were brand new, people moaned about them. Now they're older, and it turns out all the new stuff's even worse, then these are the GOAT now. But anyway, so we've tried killing it. We had a massive nitrous bottle that fell through the roof. Yeah, there, that'll do it. That's installed. Tried killing it at high RPMs, just wouldn't happen. Then I killed the gearbox and it wouldn't go into gear, so then we decided the best thing to do is see how high we can make it rev. We revved it to what we could see were about 7,500 RPM on the logs, but it weren't very easy to see, and we'd not spent a lot of time trying to read that better. We just thought, let's see what happens. And then the flywheel exploded because it was knocking a little bit, which don't neglect your dual mass flywheel if it's knocking or it explodes. That basically destroyed all the bell housing, and the starter motor just fell off and it's resting on under tray now. So what we've decided to do is put another bell housing on here, which this is not often a be for, it's not even off this platform car, it's an O2Q one, wherever it says JMA, which is an O2Q like Mark 5 Golf. But that's what we had in the scrap. And then we've got one of our flywheels. This is one of our really early ones, so this is actually a cast flywheel. We could have put a billet one on there, but just an old one that we've had sat on the shelf ages. You can see it's got a bit rusty. So we'll bolt that on, and hopefully that doesn't explode, or we're going to have a big hot mess. And then what we'll do, we'll see how high we can make it rev. And if it won't rev high enough with diesel only, we are quick it revved. I think we're going to get it to like 9,000 RPM. But if we can't get it to rev to where we want with diesel only, then we're going to start squirting accelerant in there, and hopefully see what goes bang. And then depending on what the comments are on this video, determines whether we just take this to the scrapyard and they'll just crush it into a small cube, or if we start stripping further down and having a look into it and seeing what's what. But the lads here have got a couple of the beef for track cars. They're just going to nick a few bits off this, and it just needs to go. It's getting in way now. I want rid of it, so let's try and kill it. I'm not going to do the work because I've realised I've been putting it off for a week, so somebody else will do the work and I'll do other things while they do that. Yeah. No, just get the...
Cheers, Tom. Awesome.
Did she backfire? You backfired good.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, she's a bit cooked. Wow, these engines are strong. I think we already melted like a piston or two, and I think an injector or two is, are dead. Wow, these things are tough.
Couldn't really kill it, could we?
No, couldn't really kill it, but I think it spun a bearing, and it just, as soon as we tried getting all the oil / brake clean all through its throat, yeah, she was going. She was proper going, but I think that was this last one. As soon as the bearings got hot, she's dead.
The end.
The end of an era, the end of the legendary PD. Hot wired and all. Wow, these engines are strong. I will say that these engines are very strong, but whew, she backfired hard as soon as the engine switched off. One more time, just to see how the engine sounds. Yeah, it sounds like she's down a couple cylinders. She's down a couple cylinders, but some of them are still firing. Oh boy, yeah, she's cooked.
Over and out.
Over and out.
Right, little bit of bonus footage on the Ibiza. So as you've already seen in the beginning part of this video, we've tried revving this to as high as possible, and as strong as the 1.9 PD engine is, it looks like we've managed to destroy it. We found the limit basically. So Luke's pretty much got the head stripped off, and we're just gonna have a quick look at the piston to see what damage has been done, because as you already know, the last time we started this up and tried to rev it, it wasn't running on all cylinders. So come on Luke, let's have a look. Stop hiding from camera. Ooh. Melty.
Number 4's got it quite bad as well. 1 and 2's alright.
So cylinder 4, definitely been quite warm in there. Melted the piston. Cylinder 3, the same. Cylinder 1 and 2's not too bad. Not bad at all really. Just quickly crack the gasket off as well.
Yeah.
Nothing else looks massively damaged. Oh, this is rough, Luke.
How do you mean? That's how we do it normally, isn't it? No. It's going to scratches anyway, isn't it?
Flexing downpipe, isn't it?
Oh, there's a nice gap down there.
Just down the back.
Nice. Not as bad as I thought, to be fair. I thought there were going to be a great big hole in the middle of them.
Yeah.
That number 4 is bad. I mean, number 3 is bad as well, but... Oh, yeah.
In your professional opinion, Luke, do you reckon that engine could be rebuilt?
Well,
The bores don't look too bad,
skimmed
so...
new pistons, probably, yeah.
Yeah. Which I think does go to show that for how much abuse this has had, all the nitrous that we had running through it before, and I think we reckon it were revving to like 7.5, maybe a little bit higher previously. Everything else looked pretty sound, doesn't it?
Mm.
Cam's not terrible. We've definitely had cars coming with worse camshafts.
2.5s, definitely.
That's it then. So that's what happens when you put too much nitrous. Try and rev it as high as you can on a 1.9 Pd engine. But as I've just mentioned to Luke, I think if you really wanted to, that engine could potentially get rebuilt. If you put oversized pistons in, had the end skimmed, obviously the bores machined, then there's potential that that engine could go again. But yeah, this one's not getting rebuilt. It's off to the scrapyard now. We'll put that in the outro of this video. Just got a few more bits to take off this that are actually worth some value. I think we're going to take the wheels off it. We've already got the injectors out. We're going to send them off for testing, although pretty sure cylinder 3 and 4 might not be any good. We've took the inlet manifold off. We can refurbish that and sell that on the website. So yeah, hopefully you've liked this video. Not the result that we wanted to. We did want to rev it to 10 if possible, but yeah, the abuse that this engine's had, it's took its toll on it. So thanks for watching.